Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to cook Volcano Carbonara Chicken Noodle. First, boil your preferred noodles until perfectly al dente, then drain them well. Next, dice about 200 grams of boneless, skinless chicken breast into 1-inch pieces. Season the chicken generously with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Sauté the seasoned chicken in 1 tablespoon of olive oil until it's beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked through. Now, let's create that luscious carbonara sauce. In a bowl, whisk together 2 large egg yolks, 1 whole egg, and 50 grams of finely grated pecorino romano cheese. Incorporate 100 milliliters of rich heavy cream and a generous amount of freshly ground black pepper. Gradually add a ladle of hot pasta water to the egg mixture, whisking constantly, to gently temper it and achieve a silky smooth consistency without scrambling the eggs. It's time to bring everything together and ignite the volcano. Add your drained noodles and cooked chicken to a large pan over very low heat. Pour in the creamy carbonara sauce and toss everything gently until the noodles and chicken are beautifully coated. Now, create a small well in the center of the noodles. Into this well, carefully pour 2 tablespoons of your favorite spicy chili oil or sriracha, forming the fiery core of our volcano. To finish, garnish your Volcano Carbonara Chicken Noodle with a sprinkle of extra grated pecorino romano cheese and some freshly chopped parsley for a touch of color. Serve this delightful dish immediately, ensuring it's warm and the sauce maintains its luxurious creaminess. For those who crave even more heat, feel free to add a few more red pepper flakes. Enjoy this unique and flavorful blend of creamy carbonara with a fiery kick.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.